Hi, Fiona here from MyMobyPass. Do you want a modern check-in system? MyMobyPass is built around self-service on a person's own mobile phone, something that is familiar to use. No shared devices, no extra hardware to manage. MyMobyPass excels at self-service. Visitors, staff and contractors use their own mobile phone to scan a QR code, with check-in happening fast on their device. No hardware to buy, install and maintain. MyMobyPass is more than a check-in system. Use it for time and attendance. Staff capture time spent on tasks via a web browser or their mobile device. Accurate tracking of hours, controlling payroll, overtime and productivity become effortless. Staff can capture activity via their mobile device, regardless of where they are. Managing contractors requires more than a simple check-in. They need to be site inducted and hold the required authorizations to do the work. MyMobyPass allows them to self-serve on their mobile device. Upload certificates, insurances and qualifications to MyMobyPass secure portal. QR check-in auto-verifies everything is current, and if not, site admins are alerted. If your current setup feels limited by hardware costs or admin, upgrade now to flexible self-service on any phone. Head to mymobypass.com, sign up for free, set up in minutes and feel the difference. What's the biggest headache with your check-in system? Comment below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for more tips and case studies.